Hello and welcome. My name is Ushan Kavinda and student ID 1525323. This video will demonstrate the Java Eclipse recycling machine. First, I'm going to run the application and will show what are the functions that are included in. There are 4 buttons for each item and 1 button to print the receipt. The checkbox here is to switch between GUI and console when printing the receipt. Let's add some items and see how these functions are working. So when we added an item, it shows a message as item added successfully. Likewise, we can add several items and then we can select which way we want to print the receipt. If we check on Show in Console, the receipt will be generated on console. Otherwise, the receipt will be generated on the GUI. In generated receipt, it shows added items with name. In addition, it shows the summary of each item with total. According to the added items weight, there is a state to validate machine full. When we added multiple items, and if machine state is full, it will shows a message and we cannot add more items. Next, let us move to the code, and first I'm going to show recycling GUI class. This class is extend the JFrame. Top of the code initialize different UI controllers. In constructor method of this class, define the properties of each object and added to the JFrame. As you can see, button can has set button position and the logo. Likewise, there are different properties for each controller. Then here I initialized button click events. Also, this class have Java main method, and this is the entry point of this application. Moreover, there are another 3 methods to show message box, to print receipt, and to clear the JText area. Next, I'm going to show the action controller class. This class is to separate action listener events from the recycling GUI class. This class implements action listener and item listener interfaces. At the top of the class, initialize the customer panel object. In addition, this action perform override method handles all the click event. Moreover, there is another item state change override method to handle the checkbox event. Next, I'm going to show deposit item abstract class. This class has multiple properties of the item, and this class extended on bottle, can, crate, and paper bag classes, which are next I'm going to show you. Bottle class here extend from deposit item class and consist with bottle weight and size. The constructor method is here assign the values for inherited properties. Same as the bottle class, can, crate, and paper bag classes are extend from deposit item class and assign each property value. This customer panel class interact between GUI and deposit receiver class. When added an item from GUI, this class pass the item to deposit receiver. In addition, this class print the receipt according to the selected printer using deposit receiver. Deposit item receiver class interact with the receipt basis and printer interface classes. The class consists with 6 methods including the constructor. And the first method is here is create new receipt basis object. Second method is classify the added item, which is a can or a bottle or a crate or paper bag. After the classify, the added item will pass to the receipt basis class. Next method is to print the receipt in GUI or in console. Moreover, there are another 2 methods to print added each item and to print machine full state. In receipt basis class, first initialized a generic list of deposit item to hold the each added item. In add item method, first validate the machine full state according to the item weight. If machine state is not full, it's add each item. Next, the compute sum method calculates the added item totals and find the summary of each item. Then it designs the receipt layout and returns the implemented receipt. The printer interface class is an interface with 3 methods. First one, to print the receipt in console and to display message and to print the receipt in GUI. This printer interface class implemented on receipt printer, and this class override the methods. Next, we will move to the Java doc. The documentation consists with 2 packages. And here printer interface class, action controller class, bottle class, can class, crate class, customer panel class, deposit item class, deposit item receiver class, paper bag class, receipt basis class, and finally the receipt printer class. This is my Java Eclipse recycling machine code review, and thank you.